How to know file size of selected photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all your photos and videos. Now, tap on Select at the top right and choose the photos you want to check. Then, tap on the Share icon at the bottom left. On the Share sheet, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Select a location, like on my iPhone. Tap on the New Folder icon to create a folder for these photos. After naming the folder, tap on Save. Now, go to your home screen and open the Files application. Navigate to the location where you saved the folder. Find the folder you just created. Then, press and hold the folder to open the context menu. From this list, tap on Get Info. You can now view the total size of the folder, along with its creation and modification dates. Following these steps, you can easily create a new folder in the Files app on an iPhone.